Guys, Bitcoin is going crazy after the breakout. We have seen already a pump of roughly 5%, which is just amazing, right? Bitcoin went from the lows here at 27.8k, right now trading above 34,000, and the top was at 30,400. So this is beautiful, guys. We actually took this trade over on WhaleAlerts as well. We've entered from the green box, but if you didn't catch your positions right there, maybe slightly above it, then we've entered from the breakout, and the target of this formation is 30,600. We almost met that target, but not quite yet. But it still looks to me personally that Bitcoin still can go up right here, and I'm going to show you in today's video why. And if you like that, guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up, because we've been screaming already for the last days that Bitcoin will break out right here to the upside. And I even made a special video about that before we actually broke out in the price, that Bitcoin is breaking out right now, because we have seen that breakout in the relative strength index, and most of the time we are seeing it first in the relative strength index and afterwards the price follows, which is exactly what we've seen, which is exactly what I've shared with you. And I got quite some comments in this video saying that, yeah, no, Bitcoin will go to 25,000. But yeah, in the end, no, this was actually a nice confirmation signal, guys, because we've seen it also in the past. This is quite nice. When we have a 1 month declining resistance, it's not like a couple of days declining resistance. It's a 1 month declining resistance. So once it breaks, it definitely unlocks some new bullish momentum. So this was actually very good. Then when we have a look at the stablecoin dominance, we can still see, like I also said, we have some more downside to come right here. And I do think personally, of course, that the next level to test is going to be this level. The former resistance right here will be tested as support. Most likely that will be somewhere right here. And I think the moment we touch that support, that is the exact moment that Bitcoin topped. So my Bitcoin might even rally quite significantly right now before we actually see a top in Bitcoin. That's what I think. Also, this chart is going down in USDC. This chart is actually also quite beautiful, guys, because we can see we had that rising channel like I've been talking about. I said we are for sure going to that resistance with a chance of breaking that rising channel. And right now we broke that rising channel. And as you can see, we still have quite some room left to go to the resistance of roughly 32,000 US dollars. And Bitcoin pumping to 30,000 US dollars. And this chart coming down, I think that would move a little bit simultaneously. So I think once this is going down, Bitcoin is going up till maybe 32,000 US dollars, maybe slightly above that even. We touch this support, and that is the moment we might see a blow off top, or like just a local top for Bitcoin. And then we need some time to correct. We need some time from here to bounce. And I think later we will break this channel, and that will confirm a bull market that will start with a massive rally. But after such a drop, I think it would make sense to first get a bounce, get a correction on Bitcoin before getting that massive 60-year last year cycle rally, right? The last part of the 16-year cycle rally. So that is something that I'm watching. I have already alerts, as you can see, these orange lines right here. I have already alerts, so when this chart is coming down, I already get signified on my phone, signified on email. So I'm already be alert, and I will make sure to drop that in WhaleAlerts as well if I'm not ready to make a video, because most of the time I'm making videos in the morning. But then you guys know, it looks like Bitcoin wants to go up, and it wants to reach our target of 30,600. That was actually a conservative target, because the real target was as 30,900. But you can always, depending on your risk appetite, of course, you can leave the trade open. I personally would definitely take profits, maybe take half profits and put your stop loss here, so that if we do come down, you just get stopped out still with some profits. And if we do something like this, then yeah, you still can get more gains, really depending on your risk strategy. But there's nothing wrong with taking profits. Okay, so I would highly suggest you guys just take some profits once we reach 30,600, and yeah, that would be great. maybe even already take some profits off the table right now, because this is nicely in profit, especially when you trade with leverage. But yeah, target is getting really, really closer. Okay, guys, let's have a quick look at whaleportal.com. Let's have a look at the signals and funding rates, what's going on right here. So we can see that the Bitcoin balance on exchanges remains the same. Funding rates is coming up, but yeah, this is just like, it's one bar right now, so we want to see more bars of that to become even a little bit bearish right here. Premium index, so far so good. And take a buy sell ratio is still at quite high levels, which means that buying is still the main thing that most investors are doing with a market order. So that's actually quite good. It's going slightly down right here, but we're still above the green line. So this is looking all quite good, guys. And I think this chart will be the most important chart, the stablecoin dominance, because yeah, I think this will definitely predict where Bitcoin is going to top, because we have a very clear support right here. And with Bitcoin, you never know. We can shoot up to 30K. We might even shoot up to 35K. Who knows, because we just broke out of this channel. Guys, beautiful. Congratulations to every single one of you who took this trade. And I saw yesterday already some people in the comments saying that, yeah, I catch this trade based on your videos. So that is truly appreciated. If you like that, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. And yeah, guys, I want to wish all of you a beautiful day today. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.